Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Live Trading the Stock Market here on Bob Squared Finance. So glad you could join us today. Hope you had an awesome weekend. It is Monday, July 15th, 2018. We are here live trading the stock market on Robinhood. This is Bob Squared Finance. I am your host, Bobby. I'm your personal trader, guys. I'm also the Broke Trader. I just dropped my new vlog series, the Broke Trader Vlog. That's available on my channel here if you're interested. Go ahead and check that out. I got two episodes up already. Today the third will go up, so keep an eye out for that. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's the best thing you can do to support the channel right now. We are starting off with a little bit of a lull here. Over here at Bob Squared Finance, we actually like to see our core positions taking a deep dive like they are today. That means it's time to go ahead and load up, double down, and go ahead and secure those positions, get those averages down. So we're going to try to find a way to be creative here right before about the afternoon mark. If you remember from Friday, we just brought Elf Cosmetics on board. We might be adding one more of those through our Fibonacci ratio. We bought one stock on Friday. The next time we buy into that company, we'll be buying with one. So we'll see how that plays out. We do have earnings coming up this week. We've got, I think, 7/19 is our first day of earnings with Synchrony Financial. I'll have to check that and let you know. If you're interested in how to glean information off of an earnings report, then I've got you covered on that. We'll cover that later on in the week. Stay tuned to Bob Squared Finance. We've got you covered on your business, finance, your investing, your stock market needs, all right? Any questions you may have, leave them down in the comment section below. Smash that like button if you loved this video, or if you liked it, or if you disliked it. Man, let's make this a real profitable Monday, guys. I hope you're doing real well. I'm so glad to have you here on the channel. So glad to have you here watching this video live trading the stock market here on Robinhood. Let's dive right into this thing, see what we can get accomplished. Let's go make some money, guys. I'll see you in just a moment. Alright, guys, got a little bit of pre-market action here for you before that opening bell sounds off. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you're having a real profitable week so far. I know it's just beginning for most of you, but we've been going non-stop here at Bob Squared Finance. We do not take weekends here, and Monday is our favorite day of the week. So happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time with us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I can go ahead and tell you, you're going to love everything coming out of my channel here. We got daily content for you. We got a vlog. It's the Broke Trader vlog. Check that out. I am Bobby. I'm the Broke Trader. Today is Monday, July 16th, 2018. We are so happy to be here. So happy to have you. Looks like, as I indicated in the opener there, we are going to be looking to liquidate some of our top end here in the portfolio. If it's your first time with us, I'll tell you a little bit about the breakdown here. Our portfolio is skewed towards gene editing technology. I am very much a future technology player. That is my favorite investing strategy. I'm a very patient and careful investor, so it fits right in with what I'm trying to accomplish here with my portfolio quite well. Gene editing, we've got three major companies. We've got CRISPR, Editas, and Intellia. CRISPR being the big winner out of the three. I've given you guys a breakdown on how I decided to move into gene editing in previous videos, so do go ahead and check out some of my previous uploads in order to get the full story on the gene editing technology play there. So CRISPR did have itself a nice rally early on, and it looks like it met a big wall of resistance and is falling back down. So the portfolio as a whole is going to look pretty beaten down today, which means it's time to get in there and get some buys, get some positions consolidated. So we are, as I indicated in the opener there, looking at PBI, Snapchat, and GoPro. So let's see what kind of bargains we can catch here on Monday. Got to get this Synchrony Financial share off. I'd like to unload Synchrony Financial. It, along with ABB Group, are going to be my only two stocks in the green at the very moment. So I'd like to go ahead and dump one of Synchrony Financial, get a little bit of liquid assets, and leave ourselves with some cash to play around with here. Looks like there's going to be some bargains to be had here on Monday morning. I always find it a little bit easier to buy into stocks that we already own. We've already established a position. that makes it so much easier to figure out what in the world we should do next. If you're just taking a swing at a brand new stock, you have nothing to base your purchase on, no reference point. So if we're looking to buy positions that we already own, then we can just simply say, well, is it below our basis? And if it is, then it's probably time to buy. You can set those limits yourself. So I typically, I don't have a mathematical formula that I use as far as, well, if it drops down X percent, then I buy. I usually kind of just do it freestyle. Every stock's a little bit different, and you can't really game plan everything. So I do try to wait for the bargains to be had in order to get the best averages possible there. So look for that in our closing bell segment. I believe we'll be striking at one of those three that we have on our watch list. If Elf Cosmetics decides to do a little something and drop significantly, we may be looking at that one as well. But don't be surprised to see that I take a pretty big swing at one of those three that I have listed: Snapchat, GoPro, and PBI. We're putting that limit sell in for Synchrony Financial as we speak. This will be it for our opening segment, so tune in later, and I'll turn it over to myself. All right, guys, as promised, looks like we did move out of one share of Synchrony Financial in order to clear the way there. Do stay tuned to my closing bell segment where we figure out where we're going to spend that money. Looks like we're going to have about $47. Hopefully that trade goes through. It's Bargain Monday, so let's hope to find a bargain. I'm looking at PBI. I'm looking at Snapchat. What else? What else am I looking at? Oh, GoPro. Yeah, I'm looking at GoPro. Thanks to Financial Education Network, actually. First one to put me on to GoPro. Thanks, man. I think, is that Jeremy over there? If I said the wrong name there, I'm so sorry. Otherwise, I'd like to do some shout-outs here while I'm at it. Lydia Santiago, awesome channel. Go check her out. She's been just a supporter from day one. Thank you guys so much. All of our Robinhood creators out here. We've got Robinhood Warrior. We've got Market Clarity. You guys are just fantastic. Thank you so much for your support. Awesome to have collaborating content creators. So thank you so much. I appreciate that, guys. Do stay tuned to the channel. I've got closing bell segment coming for Monday. Of course, we live trade the stock market here every single trading day, so I'll be right back, same time, same channel tomorrow. I also have my daily vlog coming out a little bit later today. I got some awesome footage for that. Can't wait to show you. That is the Broke Trader vlog. We are on episode 3. That is a daily vlog. That'll come out every single day regardless, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We got daily content coming out for you every single day. Okay, so we're just a free resource for you. We got your education, your entertainment, we got your finance, your stocks, your investing. We're going to teach you how to live on a budget. We're going to teach you how to create a passive income. We're here for you. My name is Bobby. I'll be signing off. I hope you have a profitable day and a profitable week. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.